Alright, strap changing day. I love strap changing day. Always get to see something new, wear something different, you know. Love it. Oh no! My tool slipped. Look what I've done. Oh my God. How could I have avoided this? Very simply. Enough dramatics. No harm, no foul. It's a junk watch. But I'll show you something real simple. Ta-da! It's magic. Very hard to get a hold of this stuff, you know. Here, watch. Watch how incredibly simple this could have been. And no scratches. No watches would have been harmed. You can use anything. Any kind of tape will work. Just like that. Simple. Now, better thing to do would be to hold the watch in your hand in a cloth of some kind. I mean, you got a better grip on it, and you're not getting your greasy mitts all over everything as well. Now, simple. Start by putting one tip of the spring bars in the hole. Top or bottom, however it feels more comfortable to you. It'll hold itself there ever so slightly. Use your thumb to hold it there. Grab the forked end of your spring bar tool. Push it down. If that doesn't work, doesn't go far enough for you, use the pokey end of your spring bar tool. As long as you're careful enough. And this is where having the tape on there is lovely, because you're not going to scratch nothing. You can push it down. Ta-da! Take the tape off. Never gonna scratch anything. It's just that simple. Now, since we're here, case. No holes for the spring bars. Okay, well, what do? Well, if I don't have quick release on the strap, pull it down with your tool or with your finger. Well, it usually works better with your finger. You can pull it down and expose the spring bar itself. Just like that. Again, you're never going to scratch anything this way. Plain and simple. Piece of tape save you a lot of tears. And a good tool. Invest in a good tool. They're not that expensive. And for that, once again, save yourself some tears.